Hello everyone! I am delighted to be here with you to share an exceptional moment at the LOEWE Spring-Summer 2026 show during Paris Fashion Week. What you are about to discover is much more than just a fashion show. It is the dawn of a new era for the House of LOEWE. From the very first images, you can feel the unique energy in the air in the 14th arrondissement, where the show was held. The space was custom designed for the occasion, and right before entering, it is impossible to miss the majestic installation by Ellsworth Kelly. This dialogue between contemporary art and fashion immediately sets the tone and heralds a show defined by boldness and creativity. McCollough and Lazaro Hernandez, who many know as the talents behind Proenza Schouler, are signing their very first chapter at LOEWE. And what a debut! The designers offer us an entirely renewed interpretation of the Spanish house's heritage. On the runway, leather, the emblematic material of LOEWE, takes on unexpected forms: sculptural jackets with a glossy finish, shirts and jeans revisited in pleated or even torn leather reminiscent of denim. Even the t-shirt becomes a key piece. Crafted from thread-like, crumpled leather, it dares to challenge all traditional codes. Innovation does not stop there. Throughout the fashion show, you will see unprecedented materials on display, such as a windbreaker that combines the delicacy of silk with the technical prowess of Gore-Tex, opening new horizons for a wardrobe that is both luxurious and ultramodern. The dresses will surprise you with their astonishingly soft texture, almost towel-like, when in reality, they are made from 3D printed fabric. There is also a fascinating play of layering with scarf dresses featuring free-flowing ruffles and impeccable finishes. What I particularly love about this collection is the subtle balance between traditional craftsmanship and innovation. Each silhouette seems to tell the story of a house that draws from its heritage while projecting itself into the future. Accessories are not left behind. The iconic Amazona bag is reinvented with generous proportions and luxurious materials, striking a balance between bold modernity and respect for its roots. By watching this video, you will not only savor every detail of an exceptional show, but also find new inspiration for your own style. This collection throws open the doors to a fashion world where anything is possible: experimentation with shapes, daring choices in materials, and complete freedom of movement. Among the major strengths of this fashion show, it is impossible not to mention the spectacular transformation of leather, the true DNA of the brand. While other houses use it in a traditional way, LOEWE dares to reinvent it. The introduction of hybrid textiles is a real feat. This offers a novel alternative for those who, like myself, have found themselves caught in the rain in a classic trench coat and ended up soaked to the bone. This kind of innovation, far from being a mere gimmick, proves that luxury is no longer just about beauty but also about functionality. However, this desire to challenge tradition is not without its flaws. Some designs, by their eccentricity, may disconcert lovers of classicism. For example, the brightly colored pleated shirt, while eye-catching on the runway, might seem difficult to wear on a daily basis, a bit like those runway pieces from Comme des Garçons that one admires but hesitates to take out of the closet. Likewise, the highly avant-garde reinterpretation of jeans will not appeal to everyone. Somewhere between admiration for innovation and perplexity regarding practicality, the debate remains open. Another area for improvement is the impressive scenography which, although captivating, sometimes tends to steal the spotlight from the clothes themselves. One recalls certain Chanel shows where spectacular sets almost eclipse the collection. Here again, the dialogue between art and fashion can sometimes turn into a duel. In conclusion, this LOEWE Spring-Summer 2026 show stands out as an ode to boundless creativity, but also as a playground where tradition and exuberance meet, sometimes with a bang. If you appreciate risk-taking and boldness, you will undoubtedly find plenty here to fuel your inspiration. As for me, I was as surprised as I was admiring of the new artistic director's ability to redefine the contours of contemporary wardrobes. I hope this review has allowed you to better grasp the stakes and emotions of this exceptional runway show. If you enjoyed this analysis, consider subscribing to keep up with all our future fashion discoveries, giving a blue thumbs up to support the channel's work, and sharing your opinion in the comments. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the remainder of the show. And to end on a light note, did you know that in 1934, Elsa Schiaparelli invented the very first themed fashion show by having her models walk in skeleton costumes? It just goes to show that fashion always loves to surprise. I look forward to seeing you again very soon, dear enthusiasts. Goodbye.